Draw the line, take the turn, light the fuse and let it burn. They react, we create, first move seals their fate.
Hey y'all, it's Forrest here with First Move Gaming. Today we're going to be cracking into a pack of Origins. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this open, see what we've got hiding. Starting off in our comments, got a Chemtech Enforcer, Sprite Call, On Guard, Mystic Poro, Forge of the Future, Bilgewater Bully, Shipyard Skulker, and into our uncommons, got a Poro Herder, Battlefield, looks like we got a Dreaming Tree, and a Mushroom Pouch. Alright, let's get into our foils. Got an uncommon, Pirate's Haven, not too shabby as far as foiling goes, but, you know, uncommons generally don't hit that hard. And then, oh, so we've got Ari, Nine-Tailed Fox. Looking good. And then, behind that, another rare, Mistfall. Alright. See if we got any runes hiding in the back. Nope. Just a recruit token and our tip card. Alright, folks. You guys have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you on Friday.